Welcome back to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today we're in North Fort Myers and I'm going to show you this beautiful model home from D.R. Horton located in Brightwater's community in North Fort Myers. Okay, I'm gonna go inside because there's a lot of construction noise out here, so I'll keep talking when I get inside. Okay, so I'm sorry because of the noise here. Let me show you what I'm facing here. Okay, lots of construction. Okay, let me go in so I'll give you more description of the home. So now here, 3-car garage. Okay, paver floor. Let's go inside. Too much noise out here. Okay, we're inside. Okay, as you come in, you're welcome with this wide hallway. I mean, this foyer here, it's wide. Let me see if I could stand on the corner so you see how wide it is. Okay, and it's massive. Looks like a humongous house here. It is a humongous house. Let me tell you a little about it. The house is 2,255 square feet. He has 3 bedrooms plus dining, 3.5 bath, and 3-car garage. Where do you see the garage? The garage is huge. Okay, so let me start the tour here. As you walk in, you come here to your left, and you have 1 bedroom here to your left. The window in front of the house. You got your bathroom right here, and you got your other bedroom over here. Okay, so let's start with bedroom number 1. Okay, start over here in the corner. Okay, as you can see, you got 8-foot slider doors. Pretty nice sized room. Okay, all the doors here are 8 feet tall, so they're beautiful. And now we're gonna walk here to my left to show you the bathroom. You got your granite countertop vanity. Okay, here's your lighting and bathtub and shower head. Okay, your toilet right here. Okay, we can walk over here. We have a towel closet right here. Nice, and we got the room number 2 over here. Let me stand over here in the corner so you can see it better. See? It's kind of the same size as the other one. Okay. You got the chandelier. Okay. Let me move around so I can show you from the other corner. I like to show you from each corner because that way you can visualize the size and you can see a little more. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, you come over here. As I told you before, it's very wide. I really like this. Looks like you're coming into a mansion. Okay, over here you got a den. It's like they're using it for to show the different granites and the different carpets they have. It's like a little showroom here. It's a pretty big room, and you also have comfort ceilings in it with a nice fan. So pretty nice. Okay, we keep moving here. Let's go to the other side. I'm gonna start here, show you the garage. Check this out. Check out this garage. Wow! It's not only that it's wide, it's long. You can fit any truck here. For those truck people that always have an issue measuring with the measuring tapes every time they're gonna buy a house and take the measuring tape to measure to see if the truck fit, I think your truck will fit here without no problem. Check out the size of this garage. It's amazing how big it is. Okay. So here you got your water heater, and then you got your electrical panels. And your two double car garage and then a single car garage over there. And on top of that, you get like an extra 1.5 feet between the doors. So, I mean, it's a big garage. Okay, this over here, that's your safety net for the pool. That goes around the pool. I'll show you later where they go. It's a code, they have to have that or an alarm on the door. So no little kids can go in the pool and have an accident. It's a code here in Florida. You need to have either that net or you need to have an alarm on the doors. Okay, let's keep moving up over here. This is the laundry room. Check out how nice this laundry room is, huh? And you got your sink there. And you got your cabinets. Over here you got that's the box for your cable, where all your electronics go. The TV and all that goes in there. That's where everything gets together. And over here you have a kind of like a towel closet. And the good thing about this closet is, you remember, it's 8 feet door, so you have a couple extra shelves of things that you don't use regularly. You put it up there and just add more shelves to it. I've seen a lot of people do that. One thing that makes this very unique is that you could go from your closet, humongous closet, to your laundry room. That's pretty unique. I haven't seen that. Okay, I'm not gonna do the bedroom from this side because I don't want to show you the bedroom coming in through the laundry, but it's different. I like the concept. Okay, and we're gonna move over here. Let me show you this beautiful living room. Look at this. Nice. Check out the ceiling with cam lights. Very nice and bright. And I really like this model, to tell you the truth. I kind of see myself to live in a house like this. Okay, let me see over here. Let me go over here so you can see just have a picture of the whole picture here. Okay. And over there you got your beautiful kitchen. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen since we're here. Okay. You got your big island that serves 3 stools. And you got plenty of space to put your feet under here. So a lot of them, they're not that narrow, so your feet sticks out or the chair sticks out, but it's very nice. Kind of like a sit-in. You got breakfast there. Over here you got your stove. Backsplash, really nice. And the cabinets, it's amazing how beautiful, how many cabinets it has. Look at that. And let's check out the pantry. Remember the other day I did a video and I had a pantry that you could walk in. Yeah, it's a pretty decent size. Now compared to that one that I saw the other day, check out my videos. And you know, I got a pantry that you can actually walk in. But very nice. Check out the granite. Let me show you. Check out the color. Beautiful. Okay. You got your nice faucet over here. There's your garbage disposal button right there. Stainless steel sink. Okay. And over here you have a area for your dining. Okay, and I like the windows. Check this windows out. Check that out. And then you got that humongous window there looking to the pool, and then you got the view of the pool. Very nice. Really nice. Let me stand over here in the corner so you can visualize the room from this side. This is a humongous room. Check out that chandelier on the dining room. It's a humongous room. I don't know if you've seen the other videos where I talk about this community a little more. This community, it's Brightwaters. It's very close to I-75, so you're 2 minutes away, and you could go to the airport, Fort Myers, Naples, Sarasota. You know, you're close. When you're close to 75, you're just, you know, a couple of, you know, let's say you make it in Fort Myers from here, probably you make it in 20 minutes, 10, you know, probably 15, 20 minutes. Naples, you probably take an hour and a half. Tampa, you probably make it in 2 hours, 15 minutes. Sarasota, like an hour and a half. So I mean, it's very well located. 75 is very close. So it's, you know, just get in and get off wherever you're going. Okay. So let me show you a little bit about this. This is a community similar to this one in Tampa. And check out that pool. I don't know if you can visualize it on the video, but that's the pool they're gonna have here. That's the main center point that are gonna attract a lot of people to live here. You're gonna have like a beach right in your community. Okay, check it out. They're gonna have boats. I don't think it's boats. I think it's maybe kayaks or just stand boards. This is talking about Tampa. But this is gonna be very nice when they build that up. As soon as I start building it, I'm gonna start filming videos. So if you would like to see it as I build it, please feel free to subscribe and check it out. It's like a little beach. Okay, that one there, I think it has over 7 acres. This pool here is gonna have 5 acres. Okay. Okay. Check it out. Yeah, they do have kayaks and all those fun games in the middle of the water there, like a bar. Very nice. Well, if you like what you saw there, that's what this community is going to have an anchor like. It's going to have that, so you'll be able to enjoy all of that. 5-acre swimming pool. So if you have kids, grandkids, they're going to love coming to Florida to visit you if you're staying here as a snowbird. Okay, let's keep going with the tour. Sorry, sometimes I get carried away. All right, let's come back here to the master bedroom. Check it out. Humongous. Let me go up so you can see the ceiling here and the chandelier. Nice. Check it out. I love the huge windows. They bring so much light, and you can actually see the lake. This property here has a lake on the back, so it's really nice. In this community, you could get a preserve or you could get a lake view also. So, and right now they're opening their first section. So in these almost couple of months they open, so you have a variety of lots to select from. So it's pretty nice. I'll be doing a drive-by, so I show you how built up the community is right now, so you have an idea. And if you like to see the video, just subscribe. You're not gonna get to see the pool because they haven't started yet, but as soon as they started, I'll start showing you as the pool becomes bigger and bigger and they finish it. Okay, so if you want to stay in touch, just please feel free to subscribe. Okay, here we go. This is the master bathroom right here. Check out. Granted, it's beautiful. Very nice. Okay, nice high ceilings with comfort ceiling also in the bathroom. You got your nice tub. Okay, very bright. Nice window bright. And you got your shower. Your glass door entrance here. You have a bench on the side over there. Very nice. And like I said before, what makes this very unique is that you can go to your closet here, and then you can actually go to the laundry from your closet. Okay, that's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. And I have seen a lot of houses. I've seen Jack and Jill, but not a Jack and Jill with a laundry room. So it's really nice. I mean, you could just put your clothes right there, and nice. Here's the bathroom closet here. The rest toilet closet here. Very nice. Okay. I can tell you the house is tiled all throughout except the bedrooms. And it's very, very nice. Okay, now let's go to where everybody likes to go when you're in Florida. Even though you're gonna have the humongous pool ready to go, but you still could have one for yourself here with your privacy. Check out this Lanai, how beautiful and relaxing this looks. Okay. You got your sitting area here. What I like is that they put a lot of cam lights. See, they got 1, 2, 3, 4 lights out here. So at night, this makes it very nice. And then over here, you got a small bathroom. Okay, for the pool, so people don't have to go inside and wet the floor. Oh, very nice. Well, let's check out the pool. You got your little beach, so people lay down there so they can enjoy the water and the sun at the same time. You got your little cascade over here. It also has LED lights on the bottom there. You see one over there, one over there. You have a big bench on that corner over there, so you can sit down. Very nice pool. And I like that it has the bathroom. Okay. You got a light switch over here and an outlet, so you can hook up, you know, maybe a radio, fan, or whatever you want to have up here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very beautiful home. I really like it. Tell me in the comments below what you think. If you're a fan of my videos, compare it to the other homes that you've seen in the videos and tell me if this is not one of the nicest homes to have done a video on. Okay, just let me know in the comments below. Remember, if you want more information on this house and this community, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Okay, like I was in all of my videos, I don't put prices because prices tend to go up. And you know, these videos kind of get old, and I don't want people to be you know, misled by the price. So if you want an idea of the price, just feel free to contact us and we'll give you the price right away. Sometimes I do put the price on the description, so check out the description. If it doesn't have a price, just, you know, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. So my wife and I have been selling Southwest Florida for over 20 years, so we got a lot of experience on, you know, on all the communities here in Lee County and Southwest Florida. Okay, so if you like to continue watching videos like this, please feel free to subscribe, and please also comment if you have any questions. Okay, saying goodbye from Brightwater's community in North Fort Myers. Until the next video.